Key themes for this episode include inflows and the Ripple stablecoin. Since it is scheduled to go live tomorrow, we could have met XRP and made some headway, but before we do so, let's talk about the impacts of the stablecoin. So what exactly is a stablecoin? Can you tell me how the XRP ledger works and what functions the XRP stablecoin will have? Is it going to cover all of these deals? Can you tell me who is listing it? Yeah, we'll talk about that. It is understood. Additional ones will be forthcoming. Triple is really mind-blowing. Project Pax later informed us of some important news. I will ensure that you are informed and aware of it, regardless of your level of familiarity. It is undeniable that the LUSD money is involved. In my opinion, I'm going to skip all the boring stuff and get right into Bitcoin. With an increase of 2.87% from yesterday, the price of Bitcoin is now $6,196. The price of Ethereum has risen 3.63% to $4,041. XRP's current price is $245. Having said that, I may have caught a glimpse of it being $250 earlier today, a little higher in my small eyes. The USDT and USDC currencies have both reached 99C. In today's video, the USDT was trading above $1. In your view, does this mean that money has been put into the markets? The moment the stablecoin price goes above $1, the funds will immediately flood the markets according to their original value cycle. Even though I started investing in cryptocurrencies in 2017, this trend has persisted, and the current market value of all cryptocurrencies is $3,756,000,000. Keep a positive outlook. Revenues are on the rise, and things are looking well for the future. At $218, Cardano is just over $1. Our goal of raising the AG threshold by $0.28 is to blame for Polkadot's bad performance. ARB's return to the market is positive. ICP is set to be released soon and will cost $12. This time I really mean it. I'll go ahead and do it. We expect ANDO to reach $1 to $3 in 2025, yet it is now trading steady between $42 and more than $2. At its present price of $0.05, Gala is on track to surpass EOS, which is news to me. If you touch anything, it will explode, so exercise caution around 34 other people. You might say it's a cryptocurrency, it's bullish. Investments in cryptocurrencies have reached around $4 billion. The most popular cryptocurrency is Ethereum. Reportedly, Bitcoin inflows hit a record high of $3.85 billion, shattering the previous record set only a week earlier. Bitcoin received $2.5 billion last week, raising its total yearly inflow to an incredible $36.5 billion. It's insane, to state the obvious. Just so you are aware, it is alt season, and a lot of people want you to know that. It is in no way old. I don't see why Bitcoin has never had a season. Is your alt season about to begin? With Bitcoin in the forefront of the present flood, it's clear that it always arrives first. However, what is the future of Bitcoin? We will soon be within that range. That is correct. I think we should go back to the primary website of Livecoin Watch. As I've already said, the price drops to $115. As you can see, getting $150,000 overnight is clearly going to take a while. Thanks to Smokey Dog, this is now available to us. He claims that RLUSD and Project Pax will begin at the same time. 3 of Japan's largest banks are spearheading the stablecoin movement. These businesses are now Ripple-enabled since they have linked their conventional and blockchain-based finance systems to a Lightning network. Just 2 weeks from now, in the year 2025, Project Pax will make its debut. Are you aware of this? Pardon me, but joining the Ripple stablecoin to the SWIFT network via the XRP leg is the easier option. The XRP ledger will allow RLUSD and other Ripple digital assets to function on the SWIFT network. Here are the components. You failed to notify the 3 biggest Japanese banks, BC, SMB, and MUFG, about the release of your project package. Utilizing SWIFT's API framework, this project will guarantee efficiency and conform to the purpose of commercializing the platform by 2025. 3 of Japan's largest banks joined the Japan Bank Codium using Ripple, as we previously reported. On the other hand, why would every single user of stablecoin experience this? You can think of the stablecoin as an XRP component. When a stablecoin is added to the XRP ledger, it uses XRP at these important events. Even though they knew it was fast, the heads of the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority, the BIIs, and the IMF were probably hesitant to deploy a digital asset when Brad Garling was present. A stablecoin would provide the necessary additional security, even in the absence of significant slippage. We risk losing a substantial amount of money if we attempt to transfer millions of dollars and the price lowers even a little. Consequently, this will ensure that prices remain stable. After the stablecoin became live, what would happen if digital assets started to be recorded on the XRP ledger? Because we trust Ripple to regularly load the stablecoin with its dollars, we do not encounter volatility. Do you have any opinions? Is that accurate? It is very evident that they do not exist. It astounds me. When faced with the extraordinary, I don't believe you can handle it. The year is 2025, and because that year is partly like you. From it, what can we anticipate? Not only do we have the technical details down, but we also know who the actual XRP and Ripple supporters are. People who were against XRP before will now be in favor of it and will boast that they warned you it would explode in value. This will lead to even greater Twitter excitement when XRP starts to rise again, breaks, and hits a new highest. Some who have been critical of XRP for a long time may suddenly jump on board and pretend to have been the ones who foresaw its success. They popped up the XRP ledger and blatantly said, hey, keep in mind that Apple Pay is a valid method to buy RLUSD. They're connected MoonPay and Venmo. Using Apple Pay, which is similar to Helmonai, Venmo reportedly bought Ripple stablecoin over a month ago. Yesterday, David Schwartz warned that the possibility of arbitrage makes it risky to buy RLUSD below $1. The price will level out in the end, but there are opportunities. Never spend more than $1 on RLUSD if you plan to acquire it through dishonest means and then sell it for $2, $3, $4, for $5 or $5. If it's now lower than $1, you'll still come out ahead because it will hit $1 someday. Nevertheless, hold off on purchasing a Ripple stablecoin until you're sure. If the price is $2, $3, or $4, it would be wise to stay away from investing $500 because it could lead to big losses. This digital currency is trustworthy. It's $1. Here, $1 is the unit of measurement. Could it rise above $99,999 or fall below that level, similar to Tether? Actually, it may reach $1. The Ripple stablecoin's value will remain constant regardless of market conditions. You get to choose the following move. The stablecoin will be launched globally by Ripple tomorrow. This article, US dollar real, has been highly anticipated by everyone. I expect the Ethereum virtual machine to bridge Ethereum on the XRP sometime in the first quarter of 2025, considering the value it will add to the XRP ledger. Because of this, we should expect to hear about XRP ETFs very soon. Both the snowballs and the jigsaw pieces are falling at an ever-increasing rate. Monday, we'll see the RLUSD, the ARX currency, launched on Mania. The enterprise-grade stablecoin that everyone needs is now here, says Brad. Bitcoin, an enterprise-grade stablecoin that undergoes rigorous audits, continues to buy and support users, in contrast to Tether. Just money is made. We are kept informed about the evolution of Bitcoin and the existence of audits through this. I will control my fury.